Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly and today we are going to be organizing my fridge and my pantry. There is just no rhyme or reason to this fridge right now, and same with my pantry, and that just will not do. We need to have it look much better and be much more organized. So without further ado, let's just get started. Let me talk you through my plans here. Okay, so everything has just been shoved in my fridge. Like, I've got some old leftovers here that needs to be thrown out. I have so many of these protein puddings because, oh my god, they're so delicious. But I think I want to organize them by use by date. So I've got the ones that run out of date first at the front, and I can grab those and have that all looking nice on display. There's a lot of junk in here. Let's get organizing. Now we need to, okay, it's beeping, I'm sorry. Oh, this egg is old. I'm gonna throw that out. Okay. Okay, so I have a lot of random drinks in the fridge here because this is just a bunch of stuff I had at my parents' house, and they just wanted me to take it with me to empty out the fridge. So I might be able to make this look a bit better. But to start with, we're going to organize all of this stuff, particularly my huge amount of protein puddings. Stoked. That is a lot of protein snacks, but I do not get enough protein in my diet, and that is such a good way to get extra protein. The protein yogurts, the protein puddings. We love it. Okay, let's keep going. Next, I think we'll do fruits and cheeses. I don't know. A lot of these cheeses are from my Dinnerly boxes, so they get used up pretty quickly, but they can go down here. I think that looks a lot better. It looks a lot less crowded, and I've got all this sorted out, which is nice. So I've got a few bits and pieces I need to throw out. I've got some leftovers that I just didn't get through, and some drinks that I opened and never finished. Butter. Gotta put that away. That is pretty good. All this stuff down here, oh, there's a few gross potatoes I could probably throw out. Not a big deal, I work at a potato company, I can get more potatoes. Okay, the pantry lost all hope a few weeks ago. It was organized when I first moved in, but I have just shoved stuff everywhere and it is an absolute mess. So we need to deal with this. Ooh. Okay. I've got my rat tests. Very important. I think the main thing will be organizing like the cereals and all those big things. I've got this box down here This is literally a box of gluten, which I'm not gonna organize this. I'm just gonna keep it down there. This was from my sister because their baby, my niece Harper, is celiac, so they're just getting rid of all the gluten in their house, and I was the lucky recipient. Is that the word? Anyway, it's literally just endless pasta, so this, it's just gonna hide down there. It's fine. Ignore the gluten box. We're gonna deal with the rest of this stuff. I tried really hard to organize all this stuff to begin with. I put like a bunch of snacks in these little lock containers, and I mean, it looks good. I don't know. Did I really need to buy a bunch of containers when food already comes in containers? Ugh, I mean, I don't want to talk about it. I have so many of these mini bites. I've got sea salt flavor, rockin' chicken, salt and vinegar, and mixin' cheese. I mean, I don't know. I feel like this is an easy thing to just grab in the morning and throw in my work bag, but I'm just gonna keep them stored down the bottom here. That'll do. Oh, I mean, she's looking better. That's for sure. Okay, let me kind of talk you through this. So here we have all nice recipe books with some snacky stuff behind it. Here I've got, these are generally deliveries from Dinnerly. This is a bunch of pasta, rice paper rolls, soups, stuff to cook with, breakfast cereal, milk, spreads, super easy lunch stuff, treats, snakes, yum. Down here we have kind of just snacky stuff again. Like this is a bunch of muesli bars. Again, this is stuff I just grab in the morning to take to work with me. I have my attempt at being organized when I first moved in. It's kind of just taking up space. I don't know. I went and bought a bunch of snacky stuff and then a bunch of containers to put them in, and that's what we're left with. Here I have my custard proteins. These are freaking delicious. I bought this one the other day and I'm so excited to try it. Maybe I'll have that for dessert tonight. And then just some random stuff. Here we have some excess bulk kind of stuff, some chips, some extra cereal, all those rice cake little snacks. And yeah, I think that is looking a lot nicer than it was. I mean, I need to pick up this rubbish off the floor, but it's a bit less overwhelming when I walk into the pantry now. All it needed was a couple minutes of rearranging stuff and it looks much better. I don't really have anything up here besides a pie maker and some alcohol, but yes, that is looking a lot better. Here, oh my god, I'm tripping on my tripod. Here is some stuff I need to throw out, just like rubbish, tofu I opened, used half of and didn't finish. I mean, that's such a waste, but it's also really hard living on my own because like as one person I'm not going to finish all of this, but I feel bad throwing it out. It's a struggle. We'll get there, we'll figure it out. The more I live alone and cook, the more I understand how much I need to cook. Does that make sense? I don't know what I'm talking about. This is my organization. It looks good. I'm excited to eat my protein pudding that how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas. Love that. Absolutely stoked. I tend to take them to work as well. They make a great after lunch dessert. I could definitely organize this more with like more stuff like this, but I don't really want to, if we're being honest. I think this is totally fine. So there's that. Anyway, that is a super quick organization that makes me feel a lot better. Like, it's not so overwhelming when I open my fridge. I know exactly what I've got. Good times. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I put out new videos every few days. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.